Buenos noches, mi amigos. This is still my friends way to TV. Sigo siendo tu hombre comes at the spot, and we are back with yet another in studio discussion. But this time, it's not much of a discussion per se, but it's more of an anticipation of what we look forward to when the match takes place between Bafana Bafana as well as Czechia. It is an anticipation, or rather, should I say, it's the panel's idea in terms of the starting 11 that they would like to see when Bafana Bafana takes to the field of play. And Espenom, I do have the teacher of the beautiful game that is Uminier Wetiski. We do have lovers as well as the Chinaman. Firiba Chance, hola amigos.
Hola.
Now let's get into it. The starting 11. Mkopeshi, Minier, I'm gonna start with you.
Okay.
I mean, in terms of starting 11 of Unukusbona, the players that you want to see when the Bafana takes to the field of play against Czechia.
All right, Bafoza. Yeah, obviously ama-changes kumele bekhona from le game le besinayo ye-Mexico. Asikwazi ukuthi sibuyele ngaleya ndlela le ebesikade siye ngayo. Well, for mina it's simple. Again, you start with captain wethu uRonwen, then you have uKhuliso, you have Umdiba, you have Mbokazi, and then looking at i-Czech, abantu abadlala kakhulu emoyeni, like aerially ba strong, and because mengi-check igame yabo neDenmark bayiwine from a set piece, and then igoli labo versus South Korea bekuyi-long draw in. So I will have uMakhanya ngimdlalise noMbokazi, because uMakhanya from i-Stellenbosch izinto azaziyo lezi ama-draw in. Remember iStellenbosch vele it's one of ama-tactics abawasebenzisayo ama-long draw in, so unayo i-experience yaloo nto leyo. And then bese la phambi kwabo I will have uDebza as well as uJayden boy 2. Well, ngike ngacabanga ukuthi ngibe noMbatha, but i-challenge enginayo, if ngiba noJayden, noMbatha, noDebza boy 3, asenayo omunye umuntu ebhenjini okhona ozodlala ezi-CDM, because uSithole une-red card. So if kuba khona one-challenge la already boy 3 sesibadlalisile, so I will have uDebza, ngibe no-Adams, and then bese ngiba noReal. uMbatha ngimbeke ngaMasibomo ebhenjini, looking at ama-cases whereby now we are desperate for omunye umuntu ozokhona ukudlala le ndawo. And then I will have uApollis, I will have uMoremi and uReiners. So right, sizokhona ukuthi sibabambe nange-speed, because bona ama-rankings abeka bona phezulu, so obvious bazobenza njani, bazobe beza kuthini. This is whereby i-speed sika-Reiners as well as uTshepang Moremi singena khona, because bazobenza njani, best press. Engicabanga ukuthi into esingayenzanga egemini ye-Mexico. So it's Williams, Mdiba, Mtau, Mbokazi, Makhanya, Debza, Adams, Rile, Apollis, Moremi, as well as Reiners. So already nginabantu abayi-2 abane-speed, Reiners and Moremi.
Lovers, Umudwile, the Minier, you're teaching us.
Yeah.
Do you concur, or do you have your own starting 11 that maybe differs from what Minier has posed?
98%. I agree with Minier. The only change will be between Makhanya and Okon. That would be my change. But now, how would I approach the game? Because if you look at Czech Republic against South Korea, on paper, they play 3-4-3 when they are attacking. They play 3-4-3. But when they are being attacked, the formation changes. They play 5-4-1. So what happens is their wingbacks, whenever they're being attacked, their wingbacks drop in order for them to do what? To end up having formation 5-4-1. So they were actually playing 2 formations in one game. A formation when they are attacking, and a formation when they are being attacked. So this is where now Hugo Broos needs to come in and play 4-2-3-1, which is obviously Oronza will have to come. Then Mudiba, Mudau, Mbokazi, Okon. Then I fully agree with what she's saying. Our guns, our engine room is a little bit crippled because we only have 3 left. So I'll obviously pay Umkwena and Adams. Then obviously have your Reiners, your Moremi, your Mfukeng, and your Apollis. Now, one thing I love about those 3, it's a diamond. So you're gonna get beautiful football, because also the pace that we need from the boys, we are gonna be able to receive it. But now here's the beautiful thing about information. Hugo Broos, if he follows obviously 4-2-3-1, the beautiful thing is that there's these 2 guys, you pronounce them very well. The ones that play as central midfielders, you pronounce them very well.
Peter Schick?
Yes, and
as well as Thomas Suchek.
Those two guys, I don't want to crumble their names.
Thomas the West Ham.
Yeah.
Thomas the West Ham.
Yeah.
The West Ham. Yeah.
So one thing about those two guys, you don't have to go 2v2 when you go to those guys. You need to go 3v2 because the moment you outrun them, it's gonna cripple in midfield because now their wing backs are obviously gonna, if you attack them, the wing backs are obviously gonna drop. So they're gonna give you that 5-4-1 formation. So now what do? You have a Moremi, you have an Apolis who's going to do what? To widen up the spaces for a Jaden Adams, for a Reyners. So what they do is they're gonna have to now push. But now here's the smart thing. The smart thing from South Africa's side, and then a little bit the dumbest thing from Czech Republic side, is because when their wing backs track back, if they go back and have that 5 at the back, so what happens is that Moremi's job and Apolis's job is to make sure they pull the guys. So what they do is they're gonna pull a wing back, and then also kule 3 Yama center backs, there will be only 1 left exposed because they will want to go 2v1 with Umrem. They will want to go 2v1 with the police because of their pace. So what do? You're allowing space for Lebulum Fuking to do what? To unlock this midfield. That is where now you get a Mrembula, you get a Jaden Adams, and you get a Mfuking, who are now pushing as a 3v2 to do what? To crumble down and break down the midfield. So the moment they finish breaking down the midfield, that is where now you do what? You have an Obrimudib who's gonna push a little bit forward to assist there in the middle in the midfield in order for Lebulem Fuking to push with the balls. Because the moment Lebulem Fuking has the ball, now the primary job for Urenas, Mfuking and Apolis is for the 3 of them to be in the box. And then the moment the 3 of them are in the box, believe me, you are gonna get goals. That's how I see it. I think that's how Hugo Broos needs to approach the game.
China, Umzulu Minir, Umzulu Lovers, wena uyibona kanjani? Are you concurring with either one of them, or wena you have your own?
Yeah, well, if ever I was a SAFA president, I was gonna do visa, passport, everything for Lovers. Appoint him today. I said, look, this is it. This is what we want. Umeneri, yes, 99%. Some, but the 1% Gameneri we want. That ngimpikisayo uyedwa ngula Makhanya. The reason why that we can't risk Makhanya, in his last 13 games, he got 4 yellow cards, 1 red card. So I believe that it will be too risky for us to start the game with him. So therefore, I would say that let's use the players that we already know how they play. I will choose Akon together with Mbogazi. Of course, Usela Mudau. No Oprah Modiba, they need to be there. Why change it when it's not broken? Why fix it when it's not broken? Because we've been using these left and right backs before from the qualifiers. Why now? Why are you trying to convert them? Now, stop this thing of converting players at a world stage. We don't need any player to be converted now. Because if we convert players at a club level, at the World Cup level, you just take the players and utilize them. Now, I fully agree with Aubrey and Useila, but however, last time we played without a 10, without a 7, without 11. That was a disgrace. That's why I'm saying that it's a plumber, because of how come now you move this car without a carburetor? A car can never move without a carburetor. Now you need a 7. We need a police. We need to relay as a 10. We need a 10. We need a baller, someone who will supply the strikers. Even if ever we play Reyners as a single striker, but we need someone who will supply him. So Adams, no Mkwena, we need them because they also understand each other at a club level. So we need this trio of Orlando Pirates, we like it or not. Apolis, Relay, Moremi. Utapelo Morena. Tapelo Maseko. Utapelo Maseko, Nombata. Those ones can be our reserves. And when we're coming from the second half, the first minute, we need to introduce them based on the score before the halftime. So it will depend if ever we are leading the game or we are trailing behind. So Umbata, what I like about Umbata is that he can play closer to a 10, and then he can assist Umkwen. So we need to Adams to help Mbogazi as well as Akon. Akon is good with aerial balls. We've seen him; he played very well. Yeah, we might maybe every player will have those small mistakes. But as for Uronza, yes, I will still choose for I will still give Uronza a chance. Although we're giving him a chance, Uronza just needs a simple thing, an instruction. Stop playing short balls. Stop playing these balls to the midfielders. At least, I mean, to your backs. So at least try something different now. Try to play the ball to your wingers. Try to play to the ball to your central midfielders. So I think Uronza, if ever ngasenzela leyo nto, there's nothing. We just need the Pirates trio now.
Yeah.
We need Urile, we need Apolis, we need Umremi, and then we can use Ureinas, also Unganasisi. The only another player that we also don't wanna see there. We don't want to see Forster there. As a nation, I'm speaking on behalf of the nation. We don't want to see Forster there. If we are serious about that game, we don't want to see Forster there. A striker with 3 goals after 26 games. We need Ureinas there. And Makopa is even better. In all competition, I think he has 7 goals. Yeah. He's even better than the EPL striker. So we need Ureinas to start the game, and then Apolis, Nomoremi will supply him, and then they will make sure that midfielder is stable, Umukwena and Adams. There's nothing we need there. We just need to play a simple 4-2-3-1. That's the formation we need, and then we're going to win the game.
Yeah. As we wrap it up, gentlemen, I'm just going to throw the spanner off the works. I do know that before we went on air, we also spoke about how smart the Germany coach is, Rune Gelsman, in terms of how he introduces players, anticipating how he's going to use them in the next game. With that in mind, are we in for a surprise in terms of the starting 11 that is looming for Bafana Bafana?
Hey, we played our game without a plan B. What will happen? I think now what our coach will do, will try anything that will work for him. Anything can happen. We can still get bad surprises. Let's be honest, gents.
Yeah.
After what we've seen on our previous game, we can still be surprised. We can still see another 6 defenders, of which that's something we don't want to see, because of now he's forced situations. Actually, he's being forced each and every game now, because of he have to avoid injuries to these midfielders. He also need to maybe try something new. We might see Matuluti playing 8. Something surprising. We might see Matuluti playing 8 at this point, and then we say that I will push with Adams and Mukwena. So anything can happen. So yes, we are. We're in a very bad call. No?
Yeah.
I don't want to lie, but I don't want to go there. But however, although we are expecting surprises, but we wish our coach can take a very constructive criticism happened previously, and then look, man, this is how we've played our game. There's nothing we might lose. Even if ever we lose, let's lose knowing that we displayed a good football. So all I wish to see from him is just to display a good football.
And here's another thing. Not all is lost. Just because we have a number 10 that has a red card, not all is lost. Our key players here, Thapelo Maseko is a key player, Mfukeng is a key player, Jayden Adams is a key player. Also Mbata. We might not really push much focus on Mbata, but he's also a key player. So even if you might get a Mufukeng who's getting a little bit exhausted as a number 10, we can still push in Mbata to go and cover Jayden Adams' position. Then we take Jayden Adams, we push him to a number 10. Then we know Thapelo Maseko, we bring him in. Or we can even take the smartest player, which is Oswin Apolis, to play a number 10. Then what do? We swap positions, Remile Thapelo Maseko. Believe you me, we can win this if Hugo Broos listens to us. To South Africans. I think now he needs to go on his laptop or device or whatever, listen to everything, especially on Amafenz Wethu TV. Listen to what people have been saying since last week, Thursday. Believe you me, if he doesn't want to coach that team as one man with his assistant, 14,000 people are ready, or not even, I think 3 million people are ready to coach Bafana. We are open for that. He must just listen to us. We'll give him results.
Coach?
Bafoza, football is a game of patterns, right?
Yeah.
I think AFCON let's make on number 3. Ngisakhumbula bedlalelwa kuphi, but sibe number 3.
Yeah.
Ivory Coast.
If uzokhumbula kahle lapho phethe itawa akabanga ne tournament eGrand. Yeah, I think iyona le. Yeah. Akabanga ne tournament eGrand abantu bekhala. but uMadala constant yenze njani amdlala emqhathanani nama-fans. Ama-fans agcina ingazi manje ama-attack uPace because of i-performance, right? And then you have uFoster. Since nje i-AFCON yayidlalile namanje abantu bekhala. I don't remember a game uFoster la besebhenjini khona. Yes, ngumuntu nami engingalenza iphutha kube ukuthi khona igame engiyidlulayo, but emagemini engingakhumbulayo Bafana uFoster wenze njani ubedlala. Just for instance, sibuyela back to igame yePanama ebiseMoses Mabhida.
Yeah.
Foster maningi ama-chance ebewathola leyo game. I even remember ama-fans kuma-stands ngikhona egrawundini besignal ukuthi kumele enze njani aphume.
Even then
Seza manje e-Orlando wathola
penalty.
i-penalty abantu benze njani bethi akaphumi. uMadala wenze njani wabuya ngayo. Same as uSithole naye same thing. I think igame sidlala ne-Uganda e-Orlando. Yeah, I think sidlala ne-Uganda e-Orlando. The very same ball aliluzile versus iMexico waliluza versus i-Uganda. Lelo bhola la result to win i-goal. But constant uMadala wenze njani? He has been playing uSithole. Namanje remember ubuze ngama-surprises ukuthi akhona nama-surprises azoba khona. I mean, I don't think ukuthi uFoster kuMadala uzomdrop. Remember Percy Tau, Sithole, Foster. Into nje engenzeka namanje yoba sithi uMbatha, ngokwami mina bengithi uMbatha noBafana bayade esho ukuthi uMbatha engambeka ebhenjini so that in case second half na something engenzakala we need another umuntu ozocontest all day.
That's next.
Mina nje into engiyibonayo engenzeka kule game, you'll see uMkwena, see uAdams, see uMbatha, see uFoster. I'm telling you.
Well, you have heard from the three gentlemen sharing their anticipated starting 11s, their own opinion, but also throwing the spanner in the works into saying we are in for a surprise. Anything is possible with Coach Hugo Broos. We shall wait and see because it is about to be match day. Let's go support the boys as they take to the field up against Czechia. But from myself, Kamza the Sport, together with the gentlemen, signing out. And as we sign out, probably this is the last time where we're signing out because the next time you see the crew, they'll be live at the World Cup. We're signing out. Adios.
Thank you.